Hoh Rainforest Trail is about a 35-mile round trip through the temperate rainforests on the Olympic Peninsula of western Washington. This well-maintained trail takes you through one of North America's most pristine rainforests to a glacier wonderland located in a subalpine meadow basin. With another few thousand feet of technical climbing left, the summit of the snow-covered peak of Mount Olympus was beckoning us to reach the top. With a backpack full of granola and my good friends Dan and Nate, we grabbed our maps and ice axes and decided to hit the trail.
Mistakes and never follow through. If I ever felt the sake, I'd make your birthday cake. I'd have a reason to. That part of love I knew.
Oh. How about that?
There's a path.
Inside your house that day, over your roof I flew, and on your couch that night it only stayed that way. My impatience has a way of looking blue. I could not love you true, and that's how love remains. Don't think I betrayed you. I laid the cards for you. It's just a game. You pick the one that suits, and I'll be soon to pull it up from under you. That part of love I knew.
There we go.
I wake up to an echo, coloring the starry sky, rising up to bring the light out of the shadows into the morning light. I still hear your voice echoing through the starry sky. Out of the shadows into the morning light. I still hear your voice echoing through the starry sky. Out of the shadows.
It's day 3 now, and we're starting to get more comfortable in the wild. This ever-changing ecosystem has made us stay adaptable.
Yeah.
What was originally a relatively flat trail has changed into a temperate alpine system. With the rainforest gone, our view has quickly evolved into a mountainous landscape, every step leading to a view more breathtaking than the last. It's not what you look at that matters, it's what you see. Henry Thoreau.
incredibly beautiful here. It's like being on another planet.
Water bottle.
Second, don't tell me this one, you know I know this one. I know this song, I know this one, I love this song. Hold on just a second, don't tell me this one, you know I know this one. I know this song, I know this one, love this song, I know this one.
We made it. After months of careful planning, we are standing on Blue Glacier. The air feels crisp, just like we imagined it, while keeping in mind that one wrong step could send us tumbling down the mountain. With only 1,500 feet left, we unfortunately start to reevaluate our previous plan for reaching the top. Struggling to keep our schedule, lack of experience, and sheer exhaustion, we decide to turn around before reaching the western summit. I know we will be back. This place feels like home. Mount Olympus will always be here for us. And on the bright side, now we have more than 1,000 feet of glissading to look forward to while making our final descent.
I'll leave the cards for you. It's just a game.
That was awesome.
You pick the one that suits and I'll be soon.
Okay. It's way faster than walking.
You lift me up in the face.
Ah, and that's how it's done.
I hand it down this grace. Whose hand will fold, who knows? A fool will find a way to overlook mistakes and never follow through. If I ever felt the same, I'd make your birthday cake.
Joe just fell through this a minute ago.
That part of love,
No, you didn't think it's been a long